La la la. La la la.
Oh yeah! Oh, you're so good! Let's go!
Excuse me,
No!
Where to buy pet Russian dolphin?
Why does no one pay attention to Luigi?
Nobody cares! Nobody cares!
What's 9 plus 10?
21. Why do my farts smell?
Why are you so mean to me?
What the fuck is a son?
Weed amount legal NYC.
Hey, you got a license for that?
Shit! Hmm? Oh no! Mamma mia!
Trick or treat.
What the fuck? God damn it! God, you boys, you never give me a chance! You never give me a chance!
Get out the way! Get out the way, bitch!
Ooh, very scary.
What the f are we looking at?
Oh.
La la la. La la la.
No! 1,000 times no! I'm sick and tired of this shit! Get somebody else to fucking do it! And most importantly, fuck you!
Hey there, buddy. How's it going?
Hello? Well, if you're hearing this...
Bullshit!
Where's my
Spaghetti!
Where's my
Spaghetti!
Oh, nice computer you got here.
It doesn't even get on YouTube! Look at this!
Say, I'm hungry.
It's raping time!
Hello, have you got any food?
Whoa!
Only you can prevent rain. Look at that booty. Show me the booty. Give me the booty. I want the booty. Back up the booty. I need the booty. I like the booty.
Shit! What the hell was that?
Hard to kill, hard to fight, hard to kiss, and hard to fight. And hide your husbands, cause they raping everybody out there.
Very evil demons are in the first floor. They have 12 penises. They will insert them into your orifices. Yeah, never mind. Scratch that. It's best just not to get caught. Okay, I'll leave you to it.
Hey, dude, just wanted to let you know the pizza's ready.
No, go away.
I'm sorry, man. I'm just curious.
Get in my belly!
Hey, dude. You gonna finish that pizza?
I'm going to rape you!
Oh, Jesus Christ! Stop it! Someone remove the freaking pizza!
Hello, sir. Would you like to order?
Spaghetti!
No!
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza? Pizza!
Say what?
Pizza!
Finish!
We don't have that stuff.
Pizza!
Hello, ma'am. Here's your pizza. And that'll be $12.95.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Pizza!
The animatronic characters here do get a bit funky at times. No.
Surprise, motherfucker! I love you.
So remember,
Shut up! You had your
these
finger in
characters
my
hold a special
ass!
place in the
Because
hearts
I
of
love
children.
you.
We need to show them a
Nick,
little
are you
respect.
hungry?
Right?
I'm always
Okay.
hungry. Now make with the pizza, fatso.
You're the stomach.
I am lonely. Mamma mia!
Boy, oh boy.
Hey, man, let me do my job, all right?
You.
Eto, sono lavato l'abito!
Hi. What?
Ah, fuck you! Oh god! What the fuck? What the fuck, okay?
Oh! Whoa! Alrighty! Come here,
Magical place where we the grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life.
Toad!
My name's Toad! And I like spaghetti! We're gonna have a duel!
Just kidding, bitch!
Mamma mia.
Pizza! Pizza!
Finish!
I don't sell here.
You can't stay in there forever!
La la la. What?
Defeated now, bitch!
I'm coming for you!
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level?
Pizza?
No.
It's over 9,000! Total badass! He fucking cheated!
Cheater! I'm gonna kill you!
Oh, fuck! Oh, God!
Gotcha, bitch.
Damn it!
Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long.
Better safe than sorry, better
I'm
safe
not
than sorry.
implying that they died.
Better safe than sorry.
That's not what I meant.
Better safe than sorry, better safe than sorry, better safe than sorry.
Say, I'm hungry.
Hey dude, just wanted to let you know the pizza's ready.
That tastes like shit.
Hey.
You don't with Mario. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do it. You ain't gonna do shit. You son of a bitch!
What's with all the squad?
I'm gonna get you!
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Shit, oh shit, oh shit!
I'm so startled.
What's up, fucker?
Oh Jesus Christ!
My kids roam early.
Oh, hello. There you are.
What the fuck? You had one job. One job.
Hey, have you got any food?